Every second, millions of tons of water fall from the sky. But hidden inside that falling water is enormous power. This is the story of how a single drop of rain becomes electricity. Behind these walls lies controlled power strong enough to light entire cities. It all begins with the sun. Solar energy heats our oceans, weakening the hydrogen bonds of water molecules. As these molecules gain energy, they escape into the atmosphere as vapor, beginning their long journey toward the turbines. As the water vapor rises into the cooler regions of the atmosphere, its density changes. Warm air is less dense, floating higher and higher. High above, the vapor cools. Molecules slow down and begin to condense around microscopic particles of dust and salt, forming tiny droplets. This phase change from vapor to liquid releases latent heat, a hidden energy that fuels the growth of massive clouds. When moist air hits a mountain, it is forced upward in a process called orographic lifting. As the air rises, it cools even further. The result is heavy precipitation. This rain does not disappear. Gravity begins its work.
The water has reached its destination. Deep inside this concrete fortress, the most critical transformation in physics is about to occur. As the water exits the penstock, it strikes the blades of a massive turbine with incredible force, converting pressure into mechanical rotation. This turbine is connected to a vertical shaft. Thousands of tons of water are now spinning this solid steel column at a precise, constant speed. At the top of this shaft sits the generator. Here, the mechanical energy of the spinning turbine meets the invisible force of electromagnetism. As massive magnets spin past copper coils, electrons are forced into motion. This is electromagnetic induction, the birth of electricity. Every millisecond is monitored. The frequency, the voltage, and the load must be perfectly balanced to sustain a nation. Before it leaves the plant, the voltage is stepped up through massive transformers, preparing it for its journey across hundreds of miles. Finally, the power of a single raindrop reaches your home. Motion has become light. The cycle is complete.